Yes, sir. Okay, so hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here. Welcome back to the channel. And I just want to say, first of all, thank you guys for 500 subscribers. Honestly, it means so much. And I'm just really grateful for everyone who's stuck around and enjoyed my content. Yeah, I really do appreciate everyone who's subscribed. And because of that, I've decided to do something that's, I guess, could be said to be long overdue, but I'm going to be doing a Q&A today. So I asked you guys on Instagram to send me some questions, things that you want to know, and these are the responses that I got. I got a decent amount, nothing too crazy, but I'm really appreciative of those who sent me something. So I have them here screenshotted on my tab. So I'm gonna pull them up and let's just get into it. What's your dream career? My dream career I would have to say that that's probably any career that I would enjoy and would make a lot of money in. Probably a director, probably a meteorologist as well. So yeah, that's my dream career. If this pandemic was supposed to be over right now, would you prefer going back to school or continue online? I prefer to go back to school. I kind of miss the physical interaction with like friends, and I prefer the physical learning environment. So if I had the choice between online school and physical school is the pre. Not the biggest fan of online school, even though my online school video did get a lot of views. Biggest achievement and how you achieved it. I'd have to say that my biggest achievement would probably be getting all ones in my CSEC exams. And I did CSEC in 2019, and how I achieved it, a lot of studying, a lot of waking up early and having discipline. Favorite artists / songs. Alright, so my favorite artists, that would be The Baby, Ariana Grande, Dua Lipa, and Megan Thee Stallion. And as for my favorite song would, well, I'm just gonna assume that you're talking about of all time. Falling in Love with You, Closer by the Chainsmokers, Work From Home, and I really do like listening to Problem. Those are just some songs that stuck with me throughout the years. Next question. If you can go to any other school, which school would you go to? For those of you who don't know, I go to Arden High School. There's no other school that I would want to go other than Arden. I'm telling you the truth. Like, Arden, hands down, is the best school for anyone's child to go to. What you planning to study at college? Well, I'm planning to study law. Are you a virgin? Yes, I'm a virgin, and I'm a proud one at that. Do you have a girlfriend? Yes, I do. You guys have seen it before too. Why did you start this channel? Well, here's what happened. So I had this idea to start this channel since like December. Yeah, since late December I've had the idea to start the channel, and primarily it was going to be centered around tech. It would be centered around me reviewing the tech that I have or that some of my friends would have, like different phones or things like that. In January, I filmed some videos for it. I filmed B-roll footage of someone else's iPhone 6s, and then when the whole pandemic hit, that really pushed me forward. I had the free time, I had the clips already. All I needed to know was just sit down and record myself reviewing that item, and ever since then it kind of reignited my passion for like editing that I've had for a good while. What to say? Now we're here at 500 subscribers. Yeah, and you know, you can, if you like go back down to like the start of my channel, the first few videos that I posted, they were primarily centered around phones and tech like that. Yeah, that's really how and why I started the channel. Will you do a collaboration with Adventures with Us? I mean, I don't see why not. To those of you guys who don't know about Adventures with Us, you guys should definitely check out their channel. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I don't mind. I would be up for it. How old are you? I am 18 years old. Future collabs. Well, there are some people who I would want to collab with. Nazalis Faith Channel, Matthew Campbell, and Chad Lucci Vlogs. Yeah, he seems like a cool guy. Ooh, what kind of videos do you have in mind for the future? Like, let me tell you, I have some epic plans prepared for next year. Like, I actually have them like all written down in this book right here. But you see all of these? Yeah, that's right. You guys ain't seen them. But you see all of these? Yeah, all of these? Those are my video ideas for 2021. And then I have like a bunch more over here. But yeah, I have a lot of ideas ready for the next year. And just trust me, guys, they're gonna be epic. We're gonna be getting to 1,000 subscribers next year by April. Do you have a pet? Yes, I actually have 4 dogs. Yeah, I have 4 dogs. Do you play sports? Well, yeah, I play badminton. I play a sport called badminton. Like, let me show you guys. Yes, sir, I play badminton. I play it at school. Ever since school closed, I haven't really gotten the opportunity to really play like competitively again. But yeah, I play badminton. I started playing it actually this year. No, that's a lie. I started playing it last year. It's super fun. Other than badminton, no other sports really. Favorite food? Baked chicken. Like, let me tell you guys, the baked chicken, that is unmatched. A good baked chicken with the right amount of sauce and gravy, with like rice and peas. Are you religious? Yes, I actually am really religious. I'm a Christian. So I've been religious for all my life, but I just got baptized last year in August. So yeah, I'm religious. Just to answer you guys' question. Who are you watching on YouTube right now? Let me check. Let me actually check that. I actually watch a lot of local and international YouTubers. So internationally, I'd say that my top 3 are FaZe Rug, Mr. Beast, and I watch MKBHD. Now locally, I have to say my favorites are Spearfish in Jamaica, Rushlin, and Quiet Perry. Yeah. When's your birthday? My birthday is actually May 5th. I was born in 2002. Guys, mark the date. You guys can DM me and I'll send you my present request. How do you keep your relationship interesting? Honestly, I mean, how do you guys know about that? Well, I'm not really one for like dating advice or tips, but it depends on who you are as 2 people. You know, if you guys have a lot in common, which I hope that you guys do, if you guys have a lot in common, it's really easy for you guys to be entertained by like the smallest of things. Find something that you can really vibe with and listen to, even if it's the smallest thing, like just listening to music together and giving music recommendations, all the way to like going out on dates as often as you can, or little meetups to like accomplish something together, like probably applying for a university if you guys are both going to the same university or something like that. Just little things, but try to make time for each other and to really interact with each other and have that common ground where you both can really agree and share a common interest. I'm not the best for relationship advice. Oh, you don't know Howfragrates or nutmeg, guys? Please, I can't believe this. Please don't. I don't know. It just like it really didn't occur to me. Could you do vlogs? Yes, I actually want to do vlogs. But the style of my vlogs might not necessarily be the most calm and like tranquil because of like my editing style, but I want to do some vlogs like when I'm doing certain exciting things, because I don't think anybody really wants to like watch me just sitting down in my house. But yeah, vlogs definitely coming. I actually have that planned for next year, and I have another vlog coming in December. Yeah, a Christmas themed vlog. So I'm just those are just some things that I'm planning right now and thinking about doing. So yes, vlogs, I'll definitely be doing more vlogs. What are your views on LGBTQ? Wow, you guys are really asking some big questions. I mean, your business is your business, my business is my business, and I don't have any heart of hatred towards anybody in that community. because that's really not Christian like. So yeah, I mean, do you? What are your top 10 Marvel movies? Well, let's see. 10 is a lot though. 10 is a lot. Let's see how fast I can name them. So Spider-Man Homecoming, Spider-Man Far From Home, Iron Man 3, Captain America Civil War, Captain America The First Avenger, Avengers 1, Avengers 3, Avengers 4, and I'd have to say Ant-Man and Thor Ragnarok. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be and why? If I could change one thing about myself, I'd have to say probably my laziness. Yeah, probably my laziness. It's so bad. Do you think carrot juice could also be called orange juice? I mean, yeah. And it looks like that's all of them. All right. I think that's everything. I hope I answered some of your questions if you asked a question on IG. And yeah, thank you guys for asking these questions. I really do appreciate everyone who's watching my videos and, you know, commenting, liking them, sharing them, you know, or even if you just click on them. I really do appreciate it, and it means a lot. So thank you guys for that. And yeah, next video is going to be coming soon. But a lot of stuff planned for December, so prepare for that. I feel like I've been rambling, so remember to subscribe, make sure to share, like, comment, blah blah blah, and thank you guys for watching Shamar Crossfield. Yeah, that's it right there, man. Y'all interrogating me like it's nothing.